Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Halfords Universal Windscreen Mount. This is £8. It's for mounting. It's the cheapest one they do. It's for mounting on your windscreen, which I need because the vent ones are shit. They always break into the vent as well, which is not bad. So it's got a gooseneck design, suction cup. Okay, so let's have a look. This is quite dirty though, if you have a look here. Where do I see the dirt? There, look. It's meant to be brand new, guys. Either the workers got dirty hands or someone's been handling it with very dirty hands. Okay. Who makes this packaging, bro? It's gonna rip no matter what. Okay, no. Now why is this side stuck now? Yeah, this packaging is knackered, bro. It's the shittiest packaging I've seen in my life. Alright, guys. What the hell is this? Is it a fucking kebab? There you go, guys. Silliest packaging I've seen in my life. Alright. Here's the gooseneck. Okay. This is the phone holder. Ah. Oh wait, the bottom does extend. I was thinking the bottom doesn't extend. Okay, so this is the thingy. It's gonna hook into this. So this is the big suction cup. It's quite a big one, so I doubt it's not gonna. It should be able to hold very well. Let's have a look. If I can even get this open. Bloody hell, this gooseneck is in quite tight. Ooh, that does not sound good. Alright. Bloody hell. Okay, gooseneck is off. That is very tight though. What the hell? 1 second, guys. Let me try do this with 2 hands. Okay, so the gooseneck is very tight, which is not a bad thing actually. It's quite good. Means your phone will stay sturdy. What I found is this does not seem to clip into anything properly, like lock into anything. Tried both directions, so if you look here, try there. Come on, oh, 1 second. So what it goes in, but it doesn't lock. If I can manage to get it with one hand, there you go. It doesn't seem to lock. Can you see? So I think it goes off the weight of your phone, which is a shit design. But yeah, I'll try it out and let's see if the bottom extends out. Oh yeah, so the bottom one you use this button, I think. Oh no, you don't. Bottom one is this one. What the fuck is this design, bro? I see why it's £8 now. Well, no, actually that's still overpriced. What the hell? Does the bottom not come out then? Must do. Because you need something to hold the phone at the bottom. There you go. Bloody hell, what a shit design. Look at that. So the legs extend out like that. I'm not impressed with this product. This is the exact same price as the Amazon one, and the Amazon ones are better. But I got £10 off voucher, so that's why I decided to use it. And yeah, so far not a very good experience. The Halfords plates I got, you only get one and it's a tenner. I got 2 from eBay for £7, and from Amazon I bought 2 for a tenner last time. So these are selling just one plate holder for £10. That's a fucking rip-off. So yeah, so this is the thing. This is the shit design here. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.